Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. In this video I want to talk about the horn upgrade I had for my Super Meteor 650. The stock one which I have in my hand is okay for a scooter, but it's not okay for something like the Super Meteor 650. So what I've went ahead and got is the Rhodes Windtone 75. That's the name of the horn. And I assume this is the low tone variant of the Windtone 75 because in some places you can get the dual tone version. One is the 420 Hz and the other one is the 500 Hz. And I believe this is the 420 Hz. And the main reason I just got one of these is because as stock, the Super Meteor only comes with a single tone horn, and I didn't want to add any external wires or anything like that, even though it doesn't really affect the warranty or anything like that. So yeah, I just went ahead with the single tone. I'm assuming the low tone variant. And where I got this one is if you are in the vicinity of Cochin, or if you are living in Ernakulam, if you go to Kallur bus stand, there's a shop called Autoqueen, and in there you can get this for 400 rupees, which I think is pretty decently priced. And the way I have attached it, it is directly plug and play since it's a single tone horn. You don't need to do anything at all. You disconnect this two leads, and you disconnect these two leads and connect the leads to the new horn. And as for the brackets, the silver bracket is the one that came with the new horn. I went ahead and used the stock bracket from the bike because the bracket has a hook in on the top end. Somewhere where my finger is pointing is a hook that hooks onto the frame so that it doesn't move around. You might need to make some adjustments to the bracket, or else it might touch the engine or the frame or anything else. But the way I set it up right now, it's perfectly fine. And I'll play the clip of both the stock horn and the one with the new horn. Do keep in mind, I am not the kind of guy who would like to spam the horn. At times I do, but that is out of pure frustration. And yeah, when you have something like this, please honk responsibly. Don't be a dickhead.